According to vidIQ, creators lost 80% of views overnight. The new YouTube algorithm in 2025 prioritized viewer satisfaction and personalized user engagement over traditional metrics. The system has evolved to use AI and machine learning to understand viewers' behavior patterns, making it more sophisticated than ever. If your videos don't make people feel good, they won't be pushed, even if you spend long time creating them. How? Well, 70% of viewers drop off in the first 10 seconds. Your first 15 seconds must shock or tease. Here are the must-have hook techniques that help you get viewers to stick around. First, curiosity question. Ask curiosity-driven question that viewers want answer. For example, ever uploaded a video that flopped only to see it go viral a week later? Shocking stats. Start with shocking facts or statistics that grab attention. For example, 95% of channels are missing this one retention trick. Cold opens by jumping into the most exciting moment. For example, this moment turned my channel from 1K to 100K subscribers in 30 days. 4. Tease the conflicts or results early in the video. 5th, show the end results before explaining how to achieve it. Now you know how to nail your hook and watch your first minute retention skyrocket. Know about retention structure for watch time. Well, YouTube rewards average view duration above all. Here's my special video structure. The first 30 seconds provide instant value, use hook reinforcement. From 30 seconds to 2 minutes, set stakes and promise deeper value. From 2 minutes to 6 minutes, deliver main point in a small, simple and satisfying way. From the 6th minute to the end of the video, summarize your video and tease next video. End it with a strong call to action. To improve retention, hook viewers in the first 30 seconds with strong opening. Use storytelling techniques and fast-paced editing when appropriate. Cut boring sections ruthlessly. Structure content with clear progression and value delivery. Front load value. Give viewers immediate benefits early in the video. Shorts drive over 70 billion views daily. YouTube Shorts can drive significant growth to your channel when used correctly. Here are Shorts best practices. Hook viewers in the first 2 seconds. Keep content between 15 seconds to 40 seconds for optimal performance. Use trending sounds and hashtag to increase discoverability. Add simple text caption for viewers watching without sound. Focus on completion rates rather than just views. Metadata is smarter, not dead. YouTube LLMs read thumbnails, title, description together. Title blueprints. Keyword and words 3-5. Maximum use from 3 to 5 words. Curiosity plus the gear. How to boost watch time in 2025 without fancy gear. 60 charts for mobile. And here are some thumbnail best practices. We call it boogie palette. Blue, orange, green, yellow. 5-word max, expressive face or results, description hacks. First 2 line, targets, keywords plus hook. Timestamp for better UX. Natural language, raw tags. Combine these and your video becomes self-explaining to both viewers and the algorithm. Now let's recap. Hook fast, structure for retention, blend long form plus shorts, optimize data. Which strategy you will implement first? Drop it in comments. Hit subscribe for weekly deep dives and let me know if you want a full script template for this strategy. Thank you for watching.